listen in to what Arvind Kejriwal had said.
केजरीवाल भ्रष्ट नहीं है। मैंने केवल अपनी जिंदगी में ईमानदारी कमाई है। इन्होंने झूठा केस लगाया और आज ये साबित हो गया। कोर्ट ने कहा है कि केजरीवाल कट्टर ईमानदार है, मनीष सिसोदिया कट्टर ईमानदार है, आम आदमी पार्टी कट्टर ईमानदार है। मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी से कहना चाहता हूं, सत्ता के लिए इस तरह से खिलवाड़ मत कीजिए, देश के साथ इस तरह से संविधान के साथ खिलवाड़ मत कीजिए। आपको सत्ता चाहिए, अच्छे काम कीजिए। आज देश के सामने इतनी बड़ी बड़ी समस्याएं हैं, महंगाई है, बेरोजगारी है, पूरे देश में सड़कें टूटी पड़ी है, चारों तरफ पोल्यूशन ही पोल्यूशन हो रहा है, चारों तरफ देश में इतनी समस्याएं हैं। उन समस्याओं का समाधान करके सत्ता में आइए ना। केजरीवाल पे, आम आदमी पार्टी पे झूठे केस क्यों करते हैं?
आज एक बार फिर गर्व हो रहा है देश के संविधान पर, बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर पर, जिन्होंने इतना शानदार संविधान दिया और सत्य की जीत हुई है।
ईडी एक हथियार है सरकार के हाथ में और उस हथियार का ये रोज के रोज दुरुपयोग करते हैं। इसीलिए बाकी भी चीफ मिनिस्टर के खिलाफ इन्होंने जो भी आरोप लगाए हैं उनके कोई तथ्य नहीं है, उनके पीछे कोई तथ्य नहीं है। ये झूठे आरोप लगाते हैं, लोगों को, चीफ मिनिस्टर को गिरफ्तार करते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं सरकारें गिराई जाए, फिर उनको बोलते हैं कि तुम बीजेपी ज्वाइन करो। कुछ नेता बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर भी लेते हैं इसी डर से कि कल सीबीआई और ईडी हमारे घर आ जाएगी। तो ये तो इनका एक राजनीतिक खेल है। इन्होंने कानून को एक हथियार बनाकर लोगों की जिंदगी बर्बाद कर दी।
And there you hear how the opposition is upping the ante against the ruling party, calling it political vendetta, where they are now openly saying that central agencies are being misused. That allegation coming in once again, as Arvind Kejriwal teary-eyed said that I was always a Kattar Imandar and I knew the truth would prevail. Manish Sisodia also saying that we had faith in the system. Let me take this to my colleague Shrishti Ojha, joining us on the broadcast, who've been tracking all the developments in the court and all the arguments that have been made until now, until this decision was finally pronounced. What transpired, especially in today's hearing?
Well, Suyesha, the reactions that we now see come in from Arvind Kejriwal, his wife Sunita Kejriwal, or other Aam Aadmi Party leaders, for that matter, was expected. It's very natural because as the political turmoil, the political fallout over the Delhi excise policy and the alleged scam was huge back in 21 to 23, when we saw several of the political leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party be arrested, be behind bars for months, for years, until they eventually got out on bail. Today is, in a way, the first, after a very long time, we've seen a very favourable order come in favour of the Aam Aadmi Party and its leaders as far as the alleged Delhi excise policy scam is concerned. Because according to the court today, what CBI and ED called a scam, they don't even have the prima facie evidence that they need to prove that. The questions that have been raised by the court today were mostly about CBI's investigation, the manner in which the probe happened and what they placed before the court. The court acknowledged that yes, you have filed a charge sheet with very serious allegations against persons, also including those who were holding public office back then. We're talking about a sitting Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who was arrested back then, a sitting Deputy CM who was arrested back then by both CBI and ED in the excise policy case. The court has said that while you did make serious allegations against those who were in fact chosen by the public, who were holding a public office, you did not have the requisite evidence to prove those charges. According to court, public confidence in the office will reduce if prosecution makes serious allegations against these political leaders, against those holding public offices, and then fail to eventually prove those allegations. Remember, Suesha, one very big allegation that was made by CBI and ED against Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia was about the main mastermind or the main accused role that
yes.
they played as far as the Delhi excise policy scam was concerned. They were the main
Absolutely.
conspirators, according to CBI. Now, the court has said that there's absolutely no material that the CBI has put before the court to show the main conspirator role that they have alleged against Arvind Kejriwal or against Manish Sisodia for that matter. Manish Sisodia was the deputy chief
Oh,
minister
yes,
back
absolutely.
then.
And
He was
Shrishti, just the
responsible-
fact that it was being the biggest political narrative spread at that time, the court also saying that this cannot double up for evidence